Hello friends, today I'm making a super popular spicy and crispy South Indian favorite, chicken 65. In a large bowl, add your cubed chicken to prepare the marinade. Smaller pieces help the marinade soak in and cook evenly. Add lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, and all of this dry spices listed in the description below. In addition, add a mix of corn rice and all-purpose flour to create a light batter. The corn and rice flour mix helps to make it extra crispy when fried. Finally, add 1 egg to help bind it all together. Mix everything together until the chicken is fully coated. Cover and marinate it for at least 30 minutes to get the full flavor. For an even deeper flavor, marinate it for a few hours or overnight in the refrigerator. Next, heat your oil in a deep kadhai or fry pan on a medium flame. Carefully drop in the chicken pieces. Being sure to not overcrowd the pan, fry until deep red and crispy, about 5 to 6 minutes. Remove the chicken and place it on a paper towel to cool. Next, I like to use the leftover marinade bowl to save dishes and create a delicious sauce. Add vinegar, soya, green, and red chili sauce. Mix it all up and set it aside for the last step. In another pan, heat a few tablespoons of oil to prepare the chicken 65 tempeh. Add chopped garlic, green chilies, and curry leaves. Then saute for a few seconds until fragrant. Add the marinade sauce prepared earlier and mix well. Finally, add in the fried chicken and toss well to coat. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve it hot and crispy. Your homemade chicken 65 ready. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Enjoy!